I want to ask you a question that what's your favorite food?
All right. So if we come to food, and if I say what kind of food are you talking about? Fast food?
Like any type of food, like your favorite food, any fast food, street food, or like
All right,
anything
so
you
I
like.
mostly like French fries. It's one of my most favorite food. I don't usually eat it because it's not very healthy for us, but I like it for a snack.
Yeah, but potatoes, they're really good.
Yeah, potatoes good.
Yeah. And my favorite food, it's pizza.
Okay, you like pizza.
Yeah.
All right, that's really cool. I like French fries, and you like pizza.
Yeah.
So why do you think you like it?
Like mainly in pizza, I love cheese pizza because it's so cheesy and creamy. Like the flavors all together, it like makes chef's kiss. I really love it.
Okay, so what's your favorite place to visit?
In Lalmatia, I like library. Like there is a library, like Bengal Boy. That's as I said that I read books a lot. In Lalmatia, that place is my favorite. Like my mind gets really fresh when I go over there. And what's your favorite place in Tangai?
So, as you know that I live in Tangail, I mostly have different favorite places. So, if I talk about a city, my favorite place is Dhaka City, and also I love to go to different villages because they have the most best beauty in villages of Tangail. Sometimes I go on a boat in the river. That's really amazing feeling. So, I have several places to go, and I really want to travel.